Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. Hope you guys are having a great day. Y'all, I wanted to come in here because for Mother's Day, my husband completed my Michael Kors travel set. And when I was looking at these items, I didn't see a lot of videos. So I wanted to show you guys some of the items that I picked up and the deal that I got. So if you want to see the travel items that I got from Michael Kors, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into this video. So in case you don't know, all of my travel items are from Michael Kors. And so in the future, if you want to see a video of all of my items, let me know and I'll show you those items. But first thing I want to show y'all is, because we're going to just jump right on into this. We're not wasting no time. I got the, let me sit back some. It's called the extra large duffel bag. And this is what it looks like on the front. You have the zipper. And then on the back, it has this little hole where you can slide it down onto the handle of your suitcase so you don't actually have to carry it. Now, it does not have any feet or anything on the bottom. You got your handle right here. And of course, your zipper, right? I already took all the stuff out. Now, this is the strap, which is still connected to the bag, but I didn't take my bag. I forgot to take this off. This is the strap. So the strap looks like this with the gold hardware. Like that. Let me get some scissors because I haven't cut this stuff off. So y'all can see the whole thing. Now, y'all, when I tell you I got a deal, y'all, while I'm doing this, I'll just tell you the original price for this was $698. I went to the Michael Kors outlet and they had it on sale for $199 plus 15% off. So the actual price that I paid for this was $169.15 plus tax. But so this is what the hardware looks like. It's definitely adjustable. Now let me show you guys what the inside looks like. Y'all, it is so much room. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to go from the bottom and move up. You see all that space in this bag? It's definitely a great weekender bag. You also have one pocket here and a pocket right there that can almost fit my hand in, so you can see how much you can put in there. And then on the other side, you have a zipper. Let me unzip it. See that? You can unzip it and put stuff in there. Let's zip it back up because it also has pockets, one big pocket in the front. Let me see if I can get up so y'all can really see. There you go. Y'all see that pocket? So you actually have 1, 2, 3 pockets and one huge zipper pocket. So you guys, for $169, I feel like this was a really good buy. As well as your pocket on the front. And it's pretty deep. It's a pretty deep pocket in the front. So I got that. Now these next items I picked up, they're called, which one are, I have 2 of them. I purchased 2. And they're the Michael Kors pencil case. That's what they say they're for. But y'all know, that is not what I'm going to use it for, right? Oh, I thought I had it opened up here. Let me get the one I had already opened up with all the stuff out of it. So you can see the inside. That is the inside. But y'all know what I'm using these for, right? I'm just gonna grab some makeup brushes. So when I travel and I want to carry my makeup brushes, even my big brushes, you know, I'm just grabbing some brushes, y'all, for makeup brushes. That is what I'm going to use this for. Now, this is called the pencil case from Michael Kors. And let me give you the money. what it costs. So the original price was $168. On sale at the outlet for $39. Plus you got 15% off. So I paid $33.15. And so I picked up 2 of them. So one I'm going to use for makeup brushes. And then the other one, y'all, I was like, hold up. All of this fits. For my comb, my brush, my pick. Let me see. I'll make sure it goes in here. Oh, this is the wrong brush. Hold on. I have to use my smaller brush. But my smaller brush, my pick, my combs. My little brush for your edges. I think it can fit in there. Yep, it can fit. Hold on. Can it fit? Let me make sure it can fit, y'all. Yep. Well, it keeps sticking out. There we go. It can fit in there. If I need to put in like my little ties that I put on my hair can fit in there. So that's what I'm going to use the other one for my hair accessories. And then if I want to put my little scarf that I put my hair, all that, bam. Perfect. But they're selling it as a pencil case. But you know, you buy your stuff and you do with it whatever you want to do. So those 2 items. Now, I got one more. Oh, let me go get the other item. Okay, I'm showing you all these 3 items, these items together because I bought them all at one time. And I want to let you guys see how much I spent on all of these items. So the next thing I got were a pair of shoes. Now, you know when you go to the airport, you got to take your shoes off and all that kind of stuff. Y'all, aren't these gorgeous? The little Michael Kors sandals. I forgot the name of them, but I will put the name somewhere on the screen. But these little sandals, and they were, what was the original price? Let me tell you, hold on. The original price for these sandals were $155. On sale at the outlet for $79. And I got them plus 15% off. I got them at $67.15. Aren't these cute? Perfect for traveling. But y'all know I'm wearing socks with mine because on the airplane, my feet be cold. But just to be able to slide my feet out, bam. But it was cute because it was Michael Kors and it went with all the rest of my Michael Kors travel accessories. Now, so you guys saw, we have a pair of shoes, the duffel bag, and 2 of the pencil bags, pencil cases. Y'all, all of that cost, with tax, $324.53. I know, right? I know. $324 and what did I say? 63 cents for all 4 of those items. Winning. I know, winning. Now this next item I picked up, I don't really feel like I'm winning on this, but I felt like it was needed. So let me tell you what it is. Okay, y'all. The way the lady at the store was saying this was like a makeup case, but it's actually called the Michael Kors large double zipper case, but they were calling it a cosmetic case. Y'all, when I say it's so cute. So you have your first zipper right here, and it has a little pocket. And just so you can see, for my makeup lovers, let's grab them. It will fit a Natasha Denona palette. Let me show you. See? You could definitely put a Natasha Denona palette. So if you have any eyeshadow palettes that's this size, you can definitely throw in an eyeshadow palette. Even if it's a little bigger. Because that's how I plan on using it, putting my eyeshadow palettes on top. And then you have another zipper right here. And there's a zipper here so you can add, was it already open? I feel like you could probably, it's not a big zipper. It goes from right here to right here. So it doesn't go all the way across. So you only have this size to here. And It's not that deep. You see, that's as far as my fingers can go down. But you could put like eyeliners, lip liners. Let's see. Will an eyeliner fit in here? Yes, an eyeliner fit in there. Lip liners, things like that. But then at the bottom, it has an area where I guess if you wanted to put like makeup brushes to keep them from moving around, you see that like that? You could, but I'm not going to use makeup. My makeup brushes won't go in here. So I will be placing other makeup items in there. So now the price of this, I don't feel like this was a deal. I'm going to be honest. The original price, which I think is outrageous, is, where is that? $398. Girl, bye. Y'all, Michael Kors, y'all playing games. There's no way, no way, no way. It was on sale for $99. More like it. That should have probably been the original price. And then with the 15% off, I got it for $84.15. So at $84, $85 basically, I'm not mad at it. But I feel like it is definitely overpriced. But is it gorgeous? Is it cute? Oh, let me take this off so y'all can see the handle. Let me show you the handle. It's just a cute little handle. And so I think it's going to be really nice a cosmetic bag. Now, if you want me to do a video of me, you know, putting my makeup in there and see how much we can really get in, I will. Because I do have, so for my makeup traveling stuff, I'll be using this as well as one of these, the pencil brushes for my pencil, not my pencil, but my brushes. And then I also have, now this is not new. Do I have it in here? Let me see if I have it in here. Hold on. All right, y'all, I also have, this is not new. I don't know if I ever did a video on this, but this is my original Michael Kors cosmetic bag. That's what it looks like. I know they still sell it. You do get a little pocket right here. But so for my makeup, it's going to be these 3 items right here. So these will be what I'll use for makeup. So for my brushes, for my makeup, and whatever don't fit in there will fit in here. Y'all see I got me dropping stuff. Y'all know I ain't filmed in a long time, right? Don't judge me. So isn't that cute for travel? But yeah, that is it, you guys. If you want to see a video on all of my Michael Kors travel items, I will definitely do that for you. If you want to put that in the comment section. If you want to see a video with me using my makeup cosmetic case and what actually is going to fit in there, can I get a whole face with multiple looks? Put that in the comment section as well. And that is it, you guys. If you have any other questions, I hope this video was helpful because when I was looking at these items, I did not see a lot of videos. So I hope this was helpful. And what y'all use for traveling, let me know. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.